And what I'm seeing is even beyond what I was expecting. Of course, I am aware that few, very few of you have decided to cross the line, to go to the other side. Don't worry. Don't worry. But if you know them, advise them. Nobody in this country or elsewhere has ever succeeded with footage. But it doesn't work that way. And if you are in doubt, look at our history. Even though small, from 1999 to date, all those who betrayed this group, like all other groups, like all other individuals, they have never succeeded. I don't even know why. They may succeed temporarily. They 1, they 2, they 3, year 1, year 2. Some in this state were looking like they were succeeding for 10 years. If you ask them, where are you now? They are on the floor, flat on the ground. So I'm telling you, so that you can learn from other people's experience. Don't try and learn from their own experience. Some of the times it could be very expensive. So work together as a family, support the ideology. I'm so happy with the professor who analyzed and came up with position of our movement. I say thank you to you for presenting such a wonderful paper. And for those of us, all of us here who succeeded, we know how to succeed. To have first degree is not easy. Masters is even more difficult, and so on and so forth, up to the level of a PhD or being a professor. And look at all of you. They are all still looking young and vibrant. Before this censorship, many people in these universities, especially in northern Nigeria, believe that you have to be older than me before you become a PhD holder. Now the whole situation has changed. Look at all these faces. If somebody comes, some of you are looking like me when I was in the Polytechnic or when I was in the university. So we thank Almighty God for that. And we will continue to do whatever it takes to ensure your success here in Kano and even those who are beyond Kano. Once again, on behalf of my humble self,